Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to practice and memorize words in WordPress. For the first step, copy the shortcode, tap on Post section, add new, copy your shortcode into a text box, save the draft, and here is the link. Visit the link and here is your future personal dictionary. The next step for the creation of our dictionary is adding a group about a particular subject. Give a group name and save it. As you have noticed, I've already created my own group of words. Click on the group, add the unknowing word and give a corresponding meaning or translation. Save it. As you can see, here is the list of words which we're going to memorize with the help of this plugin. Finally, go to Game section and pick your revision game type. Let's give it a try. For now, let's see, what does the WordPress plugin provides for the dictionary creators? As you can see, the admin will have information about how many words there are, how many groups have been created, how many users have created the groups in the dictionary, and how many times the visitors have played the revision game. Let's look at dictionary settings. Here, you can give value to learned points, right and wrong answer points, in order to make the dictionary consider the words as already learned ones. Also, you can design your dictionary by choosing the color which you will prefer the most. The WordPress Personal Dictionary Plugin's Pro version provides reports and tracking leaderboard features. In a reports page, you will find the data and detailed information about the visitors, also an additional statistics. On the leaderboard section, the dictionary creator will find all the entries listed from best to worst or vice versa. Thanks for watching, leave comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.